Hi everyone, good morning from JFK International Airport and welcome to another YouTube video of mine. So I'm at the airport, so I guess I'm traveling somewhere. Actually I'm traveling to India today, to Calcutta specifically via Doha. So I'm flying by Qatar Airways, so I'm going to show you how the interior of the plane looks like and all that. And I am actually stopping over in Doha for 12 hours, so I will go outside and sort of see the city and show you guys, take you along with me and show you how the city looks like. But in the meantime, I'm heading over to the American Airlines lounge over here. It's early in the morning, so we're gonna have some coffee, breakfast, kind of wake up, and then go towards my flight. So come along with me. So this is the lounge check-in area. Actually, there's a little bit of a line over here. It's an American Airlines lounge because Qatar Airways is part of One World, so they use the American Airlines lounge for their passengers. Hi. Thank you so much. Quick question. Is there a Apple store or something? Not Apple store, but where you can get...
Yeah, there is one by gate 10.
Gate 10? And this...
In this side, yeah.
In this side? Okay. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I have to buy a cord. So just wanted to figure out where I can buy one of those cords, and so that I can do some editing on the plane. So it's a nice lounge. It's a typical American Airlines flagship lounge. Very nice, very business looking lounge. Not very luxurious, I would say. Not like some of the Gulf countries, the lounges like the Emirates and Qatar's lounge in Doha. Here it's very nice, but nice view, comfortable, cozy. Just need some coffee. I need to fill out some forms, because of the vaccination proof and all that stuff that I need to show. So I'll go ahead and do that now and get it out of the way. It's quite cozy, as you can see, but before I do that, let me just show you around a little bit. Pretty nice. It's early morning, so there's not too many people over here, but pretty nice, I would say. So I'm going to sit over here in this kind of the cube area and fill up all the forms that are required to fill. So this is the aircraft that we'll be boarding. It's a Qatar Airways A350. Looks new and gorgeous aircraft. Boarding is about to start. So I'll show you how the aircraft looks like once I get inside and tell you all about the boarding process also. Till now, I don't see too many people over here. Kind of a little sparse, but I think the flight is full. 10 more minutes is left for boarding. So looking forward for my trip now. All right, it's the boarding announcement.
Amen. 1 minute, please.
All right. Yep. Thank you so much. So finally we are boarding. The flight is a little bit delayed. Not a little bit, about probably an hour delayed. hopefully it's a 13-hour flight, so they should be able to, you know, pick up cut some of those delays. So let's see. You know, although I've got a more than 12-hour layover in Doha, but you know, we are going out, so I want to go out and check out the places, show you guys how the city is. Although it's the month of Ramadan, so I think the food places might be all closed, but let's see what the city has to offer. So finally boarding. There was a lot of people in the queue. Hi, morning.
Thank you so much. Second left, please.
Sure, thank you so much.
First, it's just the record the crew is not allowed with the Qatar Airways. Please just be careful, okay?
Okay, no worries. Okay, thank you.
Second,
Bye.
this way, please.
Oh, that way? Okay, thank you. So I was told to be careful about not filming the crew, which, you know, I'll respect that. But it's a beautiful aircraft, as you can see.
Let's swap places. I think it'll be easier. Go ahead. Are you going in?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
Thank you so much.
Go ahead. Or
Sure. Wow, this is a beautiful suite. This is the QSuite of Qatar Airways. Very spacious. We're gonna get settled in and show you guys around. Nice. Very, very nice.
Good morning. Welcome
Morning.
on the first flight. How are you doing today?
Good, thank you.
My name is Gerald. I'll be happy to assist you with your flight.
Sure.
Flight times to Qatar will take 11 hours and 50 minutes.
Okay.
Before takeoff, would you like to have something to drink for you?
Can I get a cappuccino, please?
Cappuccino? Any milk? Any sugar with it?
No sugar.
sugar.
Just milk. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. So as soon as I sat down, he offered me a drink, so I said cappuccino. Very nice crew. Already you can see. I like this. So that's how the cabin kind of looks like. Really nice. Guys, almost ready to take off. Was enjoying my cappuccino and kind of relaxing in this QSuite. I'm just looking forward for this 12-hour flight because I think it's going to be nice. So there we go. You can hear the roar of the engines. We're taking off from JFK. Some bubbly over here, nice champagne, some nuts. So nice way to start the journey. We'll take this off. Cheers, everyone. Nice and refreshing. Cheers. Great selection of soup, some bread. So lunch is served. It's a pumpkin soup with basil on top and some cream. So really good.
Sauvignon Blanc for you.
That's Sauvignon Blanc?
And this is the Chardonnay.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Would you have more top up for the champagne?
Sure, yeah. Thanks. So, I ordered the Sauvignon Blanc and the Chardonnay. Let me see which one I like. This is Sauvignon Blanc. This is Chilean Sauvignon Blanc. Dry, kind of. I'm not sure whether I like it too much. Let's check the French Chardonnay. This is more of a medium body. This is not like a California Chardonnay. This is a very, very French, a little bit on the drier side. So it's very different in taste. I actually like the Chardonnay better than the Sauvignon Blanc. I think I'll stick to the Chardonnay. So my second course is over here. It's sea bass with some bok choy with kind of some Asian seasoning and black wild rice. So let's see how it tastes. Not bad for airline food. That's all I'm gonna say. That black rice is really good. And let me have a glass of bubbly. Fantastic. Guys, I'm in the restroom. It's a pretty nice restroom actually. It has got some sort of this wooden finish, nice mirrors. But I would say it's a little bit small, but hey. But it's very clean, very well maintained. You can totally see that this is a new plane. It has got that kind of the new, you know, if I say new plane, it might be a couple of years in service, but it's a A350,000 aircraft, so it's one of the most ultra modern aircrafts that's in service right now. So, pretty nice. Good morning. So this is breakfast time. There's some sort of a raspberry kind of pastry, Greek yogurt, and some croissant, and a big cup of cappuccino. So the service was fantastic. Can't be more complimentary than this, because actually the crew was like always taking care of you, asking how we're doing, if I need anything. So really, really, I love Qatar service. So total thumbs up. We're about probably an hour and a half away, you know, from arrival to Qatar, to Doha. So as soon as we arrive, you know, I'm going to show you the airport, the landing, all of that stuff, and we're going to go out today. We're going to go outside, explore the city a bit. Wow, look at the view from the top. Not sure what those are, like oil fields, gas fields, something like that. But we are approaching Doha now, and the vast desert you can see. This is all desert land. This is a view of Doha from the top.
ووثائق السفر معكم عند نزولكم من الطائرة. يرجى العلم بحظر تدخين حتى الدخول في منطقة مخصصة للتدخين. شكرا لاختياركم السفر مع الخطوط الجوية القطرية.
So at the Doha lounge, business class lounge of Qatar Airways. It's a beautiful lounge. It's like massive facilities, and just going to refresh a little bit, and then head outside to the city to to check it out, but I want to just show you guys how massive this place is. This entire thing is the business lounge, business class lounge of Qatar Airways. And this is the second lounge. They actually have 2 lounges in this airport. So it's luxurious to say the least. I haven't tried any of the facilities yet, but staff seems to be pretty nice, pretty courteous. They want to just help you. So all in all, I'm very, very happy with Qatar Airways service, both both the cabin crew and the ground crew and the lounge people. They're pretty well trained. Hospitality is a big thing for them, you can totally see. But after I come back from the city, I'm gonna go out. I mean, after I get back, I'm gonna go and tour the lounge even more and see all the other facilities that they have over here. Alright guys, so past immigration, it was pretty seamless. Changed some money and now heading off to the city center, the souk specifically, and we're going to take the metro. Everybody said it's very easy to take a metro and go everywhere, so let's take the public transport and see how it goes. Come along.